జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. Ramachandra Swami, with so much of happiness and with so much of love and affection towards Lakshmana, gave a tight hug to Lakshmana and saying that, "Oh Lakshmana, bhavagnena, Lakshmana, I know that you will read my mind and act according to that. I am really blessed to have you. Oh Lakshmana, Kritagnena, you know exactly what you are supposed to be doing. Oh Lakshmana, Dharmagnena, you know your dharmam. What is dharmam? Oh Lakshmana, while having such a you like a great son, how anybody could say that our father is died? No, he is still on this earth enjoying that he has got son like you." Like that, Sri Ramachandra Swami appreciated Lakshmana's great qualities and efficient work. And then three of them started living in that ashramam happily, na sukham vasi, living happily but not getting addicted to the pleasures and comforts. While they are living in that ashramam, already winter season came. Hemanta Rutu came. One of those days, Prabhatayam, early in the morning, Ramachandra Swami Abhishekardham Ramyam Godavarim Nadim. Ramachandra Swami, early in the morning, going to the Godavari river to take shower, to have a bath. Along with Rama, Lakshmana is also following and Sitamma is also going. At that time, Lakshmana saying to Ramachandra Swami, "Oh Rama, now the winter season came. This is the time. Everywhere there will be snow and fog. Oh Rama, this is the time. This entire earth will be blossomed with so many nice crops. Oh Rama, this is the time. Water will be very cold. Oh Rama, this is the time we feel like having sun on us. We feel like sitting in the sun rays. Oh Rama, this is the time the new grains comes to the home from the crops. Oh Rama, this is the time before our elders, before they eat new grains, they offer their oblations to Pitru Devatas. Oh Rama, this is the time all our cows gives abundant milk. Oh Rama, this is the time that the mountain Himavat Parvatam looks like the mountain of snow, Manchukonda. Oh Rama, this is the time always the rays, sun rays gives us so much of relief. This is the time we feel like traveling only in the mid-noon time because sun rays will be there. Oh Rama, this is the time it is going to be very cold. This is the time those who are living in the forests, they cannot take this much of cold. That is why they don't travel here and there. Oh Rama, this is the time people would not feel like sleeping outside where there is no roof. Oh Rama, this is the time the night span feels like it is very, very long. Oh Rama, this is the time all the forests are filled up with snow and fog. Oh Rama, this is the time elephants, they go to drink the water, but because water is cold, those elephants, they squeeze their trunks inside with the cold. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, Let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.